let's hear it for the Colorado Rockies. Colorado Rockies, my home team. Keep right on rootin' for the Rockies. We're really picking up some steam. Just clap your hands for the Colorado Rockies. Feel that excitement in the air. Stomp your feet while you're rocking with the Rockies. Just try and stop us if you dare. I got Rockies fever burning in my mind. There goes another home run down the line. I'll always love my Colorado Rockies. We've got a winner here this time.
Colorado Rockies, Colorado Rockies, Colorado going home. Colorado Rockies, Colorado Rockies, Colorado that's our home.
Let's jump and shout for those Colorado Rockies. Colorado Rockies in the springtime. Can't miss a game, I'm so crazy about my Rockies. You know I'll be there, rain or shine. Come on, get on board with the Colorado Rockies. Just start the wave and let it ride. It's so much fun to be rocking with the Rockies. Let's shake this ballpark side to side. I got Rockies fever burning in my mind. There goes another home run right down the line. I'll always love my Colorado Rockies. We've got a winner here this time.
Colorado Rockies, Colorado Rockies, Colorado going home.
We will rock you.
Colorado Rockies, Colorado Rockies, Colorado that's my home.
We'll rock you now. I got Rockies fever burning deep in my mind. There goes another home run right down the line. I'll always love my Colorado Rockies. We've got a winner here this time.
Colorado